Hey guys, welcome to another video. So you might notice the lighting is a little bit dimmer than usual. That's because one of my lights got busted. I usually run two softboxes, so now I'm running one softbox. I'm running the kitchen light, and hopefully that will be enough to kind of see everything. The other light got busted because of this one. He like jumped on it and he cracked it, and it was working for a little bit, and now it's completely dead. So you're a horrible, horrible cat, spawn of Satan. See, he doesn't feel bad about it. That's how I know he's not angelic. So today we're revisiting the Dark Star palette, and I wanted to do a dramatic look using it. You know, I wanted to kind of play with that seafoam green again and add, you know, the Interstellar. And just on the bottom, make the colors come out, and we'll see what happens. I'm kind of excited because I have a hoodie that I got from Nordstrand's, and it's pretty cool. It's like super fuzzy. It has like some cannabis leaves on it, and I want to play off of those colors, you know, and maybe do a small photo shoot with it. So let me zoom you guys in, and then we'll get started. As usual, I'm wearing everything, but I did decide to put a little extra hot trust blush and highlighter on my face so you can see I'm a little bit glowier than usual, and I did my eyebrows a little bit thicker and a little bit more out there so that way we can have more space for the eye. So starting with the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, I'm just gonna pat that on. Okay, I'm gonna use a very small amount of ENTICE all over the lid just to kind of prime it, you know, so we can have a better blending base. And I'm gonna use the eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. Okay, now already comes the fun part. We're gonna be using Deep Space, and we're gonna be building it like crazy. And you can see I'm going past the crease and up this way because I want it to be all the way up. There you go. And I might go with a separate brush and start wigging it out a little bit more, but let's do the other side. Okay, and the sides are a little wobbly, so let's unwobble them. I'm using the mini Luxie brush. If you guys don't have any mini Luxie brushes, they're pretty amazing. They're just like short versions of the brushes that you always use, so you can work the details a little bit better. If you're wondering like, oh, why can't I get it blended correctly, or why doesn't it look as intricate as what I see like on Instagram maybe, it's because you're probably not using the right brushes. When you look at like Instagrammers or people on YouTube doing intricate looks, they use a shit ton of brushes and it doesn't make a huge difference. Okay, now I'm gonna use an angle brush like this, and I'm gonna put gold on the brow bone. Even though we don't have a lot of brow bone space, I'm gonna try to work this gold as much as I can so that way it can stand out. I'm gonna also put the gold on the inner corner. And now we're gonna work the bottom of the eye. Actually, I'm gonna work the middle of the eye. I'm gonna make this a little bit more dramatic and use dark matter on the inner parts. So I'm just gonna make it a little darker, moodier. Okay, and I'm gonna bring it with an angle brush to the crease as well. And to the outer corner. Okay, now it's time for Interstellar. Actually, I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna make it a little bit more dramatic with the dark matter. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix, let's see, Metropolis and Interstellar together. So Metropolis is like the plumish type of shade, so I'm gonna apply that first, and I'm gonna smoke out the bottom of the eye, and then I'm gonna put Interstellar on top. Now we're gonna dig into Interstellar and add more color to this look. It looks really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more just in case. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of dark matter to kind of bring out those contours a little bit more. And I'm gonna try to use it wet, see if it makes a difference. And I'm gonna pack on deep space in the middle of the lid even though it's already there. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go put some mascara, eyeliner. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the look. And it came out a lot better than I expected. Like, this is really, really cool, especially with this and the hint of teal, you know, on the Xanadu hoodie from Drifter. I am very, very happy with the results. So I did go ahead and put some eyeliner on, mascara, my lipstick. This is my combo for life now. from now on. I don't know why, but every time I put this lipstick on with the shine from the Bronze Temptation palette, it looks like I got fillers. Like they look really plump in pictures. It goes like, yeah, this is Christy Matte Trance lipstick from Pat McGrath with a little bit of the lightest shadow in the Bronze Temptation palette on the top and the bottom, not all over, or else you don't get the effect. And that's it. I'm gonna be taking some photos of this look so you guys can see the vision behind it. And as usual, I'm gonna put a video. There'll be more photos on Instagram. If you have any questions, you can put them on the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the bell so you are notified whenever I have a new video. And if you can, like and share the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.